Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today. And today, in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, December the 29th, 2020. Yes, 2 days to go. And then we enter a year. Today we have only one regular Sudoku. And this one is a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper 8 extra Sudokus in the additional, but first I will solve this baby. So let's get started. This Sudoku Medium will be a number 2077. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 4 is 25, 26, 27, 28. So it must be easier than the one-star Sudoku, because the one-star Sudoku in the additional has 27 usually. 28. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? And 9 in this row. 9 in the middle a row. So the row below, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. So we drop the 9 and we continue with another digit. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have the 4 and the 5 in this column, so no 4 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you, because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So the middle row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 7. Yeah. 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place for a 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there ain't no 8 in those 2 boxes. There ain't no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only place for an 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Now, how about the 4 in this column? 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. Now I have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for a 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this row, the 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for a 5 should be here. Alright, let me position the camera. It's not in the center. Alright. 1 number left in this second column for the numbers. 3 is missing. Yes, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only place for a 1 should be here. And then let me think. Oh. 2 and 3, yes. Interesting. Alright. So, okay. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 2 are missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6 are missing. The numbers 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2, 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The other 2 numbers in this big square, 2, 6, should be the 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column, in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. And I cannot fill this yet. Very strange. Here also 2 and 6, and here also 2 and 6. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column B, 3 in the middle column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, alright. 2 and 6 are missing in the second column. 2 and 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. One number left in the first row for the number 6. One number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 7, and the number 6. We see here 1 and a 7. So in this box cannot be 1 or a 7. The 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. 2 and the 9. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Yeah. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those numbers are the 1, the 7, and the 6. 1, 7, and 6. 1, 7, and 6. And look, we see here 1 and a 7. So in this box cannot be a 1 or a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 6. The 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Now we have a 6 here. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in the third column for the number 2, I believe. 2. Yes. Now we have a number. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku Medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudoku movies to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.